Rupanjan, put your video on. Okay, now let me share you the screen. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
yes,
sir.
this is your maths books. So already you have this. So tell me, Arijit, we were in which portion? Page number?
Sir, page number 6. Number 9.
Page number?
The 9.
Okay.
Yes, sir, page number 9.
Hope this one. Yes, this page.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have a problem on this.
Yes, whatever your problem you ask.
Sir, 4 and 5. And which one to do?
Mhm. Recording is going on. Recording is going on. So everybody be aware of that.
Exercise. Sir, 4 and 5. I have a problem
4 and 5.
on that page.
Okay. Okay, let we copy this to some in our board and we will do that. Okay. So these are the two sums, 4 and 5 we are going to solve right now. So first sum, it is asking you, a radio station runs a phone in competition for listener. Every 30th caller gets a free airtime voucher and every 120th caller gets a free mobile phone. Okay, so how many listener must phone in before one receives both an airtime voucher and a free phone? Every 30th caller gets voucher.
Sir, what is the meaning of airtime?
Airtime means free call, free call. That means whatever you are calling duration, that is called airtime. Free call voucher. That means 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you can make a free call or unlimited free call. So like that. Okay, that
Okay,
voucher or offer. And every 120th, that means 120th caller gets a free mobile phone. 120th caller gets a handset or a phone. Okay. Now, how many listener must phone in before one receives both an airtime voucher and a free phone? So in between, how many numbers are there? They are asking from the 30th to 120. How many numbers are there in between them? So you can easily do that. If I'll ask you how many numbers are there in between 3 to 10, how many numbers are there in between 3 to 10?
7.
4, 5,
7, sir.
6, 7, 8, 9. These are the numbers. Okay, 6 numbers. The process is that first you will subtract 10 minus 3. What you will get? 7. And the number of will be 7 minus 1, that means 6. Why you are subtracting 7 minus 1? Get the logic. So this is your number line. This is your number line. Okay, fine. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is my writing out the board is visible clearly to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's visible.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
So now the 10, I'm changing the color to make you understand well. The 10 number is block. That means you cannot reach to 10, and 3 is block. You cannot reach to 3 also. So when the both side is get blocked,
Sir, your voice is cutting.
why?
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we have to give the answer separately or together.
Separately or together means?
Means one answer for before airtime voucher and one answer for free phone. Or we have to give the answers
Free
together.
phone and airtime vouchers. They are asking you how many listener must phone in before once receives an airtime voucher and in free phones. They are asking two answer, right?
Yes, sir.
They are
Yes,
asking,
sir.
yes. So they are asking two answers. So you need to write in two answer. So before airtime voucher, how many listener are there? 29 listeners, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And
Yes, sir.
yeah. And how many listener must phone in before once receives a both an airtime voucher and also that means before getting a free phone, how many listener? Before of getting a free phone, how many listener? 120, sorry, 119 listener, because at 120 119th listener. So 29th listener to get our airtime voucher, and before getting an airtime voucher, and 119th listener before getting a free phone. So how
Before
many
getting a free phone.
free phone, and how many listener in between them? 119 minus 29 minus 1. Not that?
Sir, why
Yes,
minus
sir.
one?
Yes, sir.
No, here the minus 1 will not be there because we are not including 30 and also we are not including 121. So only the subtraction
Yes,
result.
sir.
Yes, sir. Only the
So 0 to 2, 11, 9, that much, 90 listeners.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
So this is the answer, to sir.
this is answer. 90 listeners.
Sir, you have subtracted one from both. That's 120.
Yes, yes.
You have subtracted one from both. Means from 120 and 30 also.
No, 30th callers, I have not included that. And
Yes.
129th caller, that also, that means 120th caller is not also included in that.
Sir, in which page this question is there?
Page 9.
9.
See the book. So
So
you
can
have
we
you have only 7 minutes. Then after meeting will end. That means class will over. So I have a very short class. So now see question number 5. Lee runs around a track in 12 minutes and James runs around the same track. Actually, this chapter was related to ACF and LCM. So have you have completed all this? What is given in question number 1, 2, and 3?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. which radio stations run in phone competitions for listener every 30th callers. Get this. So match the answer whether we have done this one this way or anybody having sound in his background.
Sagnik, train.
No, trade is not going at this time.
Okay, so Lee runs a track in 12 minutes and whereas James runs around the same track in 18 minutes. If they start in the same place at the same time,
Sir,
How
I have
many-
one question.
yes, ask.
Is the answer
Sir,
is not
the question number 4 answer is 120 listener, not 90.
Yes, sir.
120th,
answer is not matching.
120
Yes, sir.
listener.
Yes, sir.
That means-
120 listener.
and that means they are asking you that before someone gets a free airtime and before someone gets a free call, how many listener are there? So 120th call, at 120th call they are getting a mobile phone. So that listener, when he was under the 30th time, he has received that free airtime also. So that's why it was a tricky questions and the answer becomes 120. Understood? When someone is getting called, that means at the time of 120th call, he got a mobile phone, and when it was on of 30th time, that at that time he got something like, yes. So
Then, sir, what is the exact answer? 120 or 90?
no, as per
120.
your book, it is given 120th caller, 120, because at the time of 120th call, he got a mobile phone and definitely he has received his free airtime when it was the time of 13th. So the answer become 120. It was a tricky questions, nothing else. We are given much time on that. And see, Lee runs around the track in 12 minutes and the same track in 18 minutes. If he starts in the same place and the same time, in how many minutes will pass before they both cross the starting line together again? That means you need to find the LCM over here. See that first one is starting from the same line, and first one is completed in the 12 minute and second one is taking time 18 minutes. Okay, so let it be the finishing line. So when they will both cover the finishing line, that means which will be the number will be both divisible by this, both of the number. So that means the LCM of 12 and 18, that much minutes. So how to find this LCM? 2, 6, 9 with 3,
2
Two.
and 3.
and 3. So 3 to just 6, and here also 6. That means 36. LCM, yes, 36. So that should be the time. Which in how many minutes?
Sir, how we
30.
will understand that we have to do HCF or LCM?
No, that you need to understand by studying this question. Here it is told that in question, let's say you have an increase and a sense in you that one completing in 12 minutes and another completing the same thing in 18 minutes. If they start from the same place at the same time, how many minutes will pass before they both cross the starting line together again? That means once coming back to the starting line and the second one also coming back to the starting line. That means they have completed the whole circle. Starting line I have shown over here in this way. Actually, it is on a circular track. One has started and completed his track, and another also has started and completed his track. So both will come back to that same place as per their time span. That means starting track, you can imagine that a number 36 or the multiple of it, that means 72 or like that. When we'll divide it by 12, we'll get a complete number. When we'll divide it by 18 will also get a complete integral value. So this way you need to understand that it is talking about a number which will be completely divisible by both of these number. That means definitely LCM. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Then, sir,
When-
what will be the changes on the question if the answer will be in HCF?
there will be changes that the questions can be like that. Suppose a person putting a or clearing a water tank in 12 tub. That means a 12 complete tub, it will take off the all water from this reservoir. And also you can say that 18 complete tub can also complete that reservoir. That means clear of that reservoir, all the water. Now, what will be the amount of the water, or you can say what will be the amount of the capacity of the water, so that the both the tubs can be clear of in a complete number of integral values. In that case, you will take that ACF. So 12 liter and 18 liter is the capacity of two different tap, and they can clear of the capacities. So what will be the ACF of this? 6 by 6 if will be both of the multiple of this. That means the multiple of 6 is 12 also and 18 also. If I'll take a tab with a capacity 6 liter, we can clean the both reservoir. Such type of changes will be there. Okay. And with this, your class will be end within very few seconds. Only less than 1 minute time is left. Okay. Thank you. Next day, we'll proceed further. Today we have most of our